Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was designed to be engraved in a ring, so all of these lines are the same thickness because that is just going to be one pass over the laser, and these dots are made by actually using those same thickness lines and kind of stacked on top of each other to make one dot instead of a line. So that's why they have those tiny little gaps in the middle. It's because it's just a couple concentric circles. Anyway, with that being said, let's get to the translation. So this says, "We are all stardust," and this says, "We are all stardust," and then also again on this side, "We are all stardust," because if you flip the ring upside down, I want it to translate both ways. Plus I really like the look of this nice symmetrical flowing design for a ring. And with that being said, let's get to our first word, "we." So here's a W. A W is a shallow divot with two lines attached to it. So this shallow divot has two lines on it, which is good because this shallow divot has two lines on it, and that makes it a W. Vowels are these little guys, so vowel, vowel, lots of vowels, a couple vowels here too. And this is the E because it's right on the line of our word circle. And then we have our next word, the bottom of the word circles here. You read this script starting at the bottom and you go counterclockwise. And here's our first letter. It is an A and it is outside the word circle. Then we have this shallow divot, like a bite taken out of a cookie, just like the W, except this has 1, 2, 3 dots, making it an R. And this E is nestled inside that divot, kind of like in the empty space between it, kind of like a pearl in a clam. Anyway, so R. And then we have this word. We have a couple concentric circles. There are two of them, and that is because this is a double letter, and you can stack double letters in the same thickness, means it's the same letter, which is good because I can't do different thicknesses. And this dashed line, I tried to do this to make it kind of look a little bit more delicate instead of just 3 concentric circles of all the same thickness, because this dashed one is our word circle, whereas these two are our letter stems. And then here's the vowel, and this vowel has a slash through it, putting up in front of the double L, so A double L. So all, and then we have this. This design, starting here, we have this shallow divot with 1, 2, 3 lines making an S, then a T, then an A, then an R, and then we have a D, U, S, and T. So 3 lines on the S, just like this S here on dust, and then this T here matches that T here. Here's the A outside our word circle, just like the A in all, and then we have this R, shallow divot, 3 dots, whereas a D is a deep divot with 3 dots, because 3-dot row, D, and R are in it. And then this is the same thing, just mirrored. So right now it is upside down. If I were to read it, it would be LLA, and then this would be REA, and then EW, so all the words would be kind of like jumbled. But if you flip it around, no matter what, if you read it left to right, it will be correct, which is what I want, so you don't have to worry about the ring being upside down or whatever. So yeah, that is that, and I'm super happy with that design, and I'm excited to make those rings for you. Thank you. I hope you like it. JJ, this is for you. Bye.